Hi everybody, and happy Friday. Now this week we've been talking about our favorite authors, and after some intense narrowing down, I made it to 4. So I think I'm gonna exclude, sadly, as much as I love him, John Green, because Sam gave you the whole spiel about how awesome he is. Nerd fighter, yeah. I'm gonna start with Paolo Bacigalupi. Now he wrote Shipbreaker. That one is kind of like my favorite genre of book is post-apocalyptic kind of things. That one is basically the main character is a shipbreaker on a beach, takes apart the ships and everything, and he finds a girl, and the whole book is about him and the girl, and they're trying to rescue her, and struggles and everything, so that one's really good. Second favorite author is James Dashner. He wrote Maze Runner and Scorch Trials. Very good books if you haven't read them. Basically what's happening is these kids are dumped off in this giant maze, and they have to figure out how to get out of it. The main character goes, and then suddenly everything changes, becomes different for that entire group. They figure out how to get out, and so on and so forth, and there's these giant evil things called the Grievers. Very, very scary and creepy-ish. But it was a very good book. Definitely recommend it. My third favorite author is Pittacus Lore, the author of I Am Number 4 and The Power of 6. Now, I Am Number 4 is not a post-apocalyptic kind of deal. That one is actually about an alien boy from another planet. He comes down, and the rest of their race was wiped out. So they come and live on Earth because it was the closest inhabitable planet. And the book is about him developing his powers and fighting off the Mogadorians, which is the alien race that killed the main character's race. So he fights them off, and he figures out his powers, and he finds all the other ones. Basically, there are 9 children from that planet left, and he's number 4. The first 3 were killed, and if they aren't killed in order, then the Mogadorians cannot harm those children. So they have to kill these children in the order from which the protective seal was placed upon them. And I haven't read the second one yet. I'm in the process of doing that. It just came out. So excited. But it should be good. He's met some other of the kids from the planet, and they're banding together. So it should be good. That's all I have for you today. See you next week.